and welcome back to this Make Music video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and activate Ableton Live Lite and show you how to set up your Launchpad with Live. If you already have a copy of Live installed, then you can skip the Ableton install section of this video. Please progress to the time shown on screen to skip to the Launchpad setup steps. You can download Ableton Live Lite by clicking on the link below this video like so. Once this download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. On a Mac, double-click on the installer to run through the steps. Drag the Ableton Live 10 Lite logo into the Applications folder. When this is finished copying, double-click Applications and open Ableton Live Lite 10. On a Windows machine, right-click on the zipped folder and select Extract All, and ensure that the Show Extracted Files When Complete box is ticked. Once this is done, please double-click the extracted installer to run it. On a PC, Ableton Live 10 Lite will open after the install is complete. You'll now be presented with a dialog box which tells you that you need to activate Live. Ensure that you have an internet connection and select Activate at ableton.com. This will take you to Ableton's website, where you'll either need to register for an account or log into an existing account if you already have one. Once you're logged into your new or existing Ableton account, you'll be prompted to enter a serial number for Ableton Live Lite. You can find this here in your Novation account. Please copy and paste the code and then select Submit. You'll now be told that Live Lite has been activated and it's ready to use. Now, let's get your Launchpad set up with Live. Please ensure that your Launchpad is connected to your computer via USB. On a Mac, go to Live, Preferences, and Link MIDI. On a PC, go to Option, Preferences, and Link MIDI. At this stage, your Launchpad should be auto-detected, and the settings on this page should look like this for a Launchpad Mini, this for a Launchpad, and this for a Launchpad Pro. If your device has not been auto-detected, then select your model of Launchpad, for example the Launchpad Mark II, from the Control Surface drop-down menu, under Input and Output, and check the boxes that you see here checked on screen. To reiterate, the settings should look like this for the Launchpad Mini, this for the Launchpad, and this for the Launchpad Pro. This is a one-time setup, so these settings will be saved even if you disconnect your Launchpad. You can now exit the settings. Your Launchpad is set up and ready to use with Live to start making music. In the next video, we'll be showing you how to start making music with your Launchpad.